Quite an interesting update that we have today, and I think for all of you have participated in the Berachain ecosystem, testnets, and all of them goodies. So we got the checker for that as well as other airdrop update. And with that, we jump straight onto the laptop. Before we go on, I want to talk about this new ByBit Telegram game, which it is basically going to be a free airdrop allocation for all of you. And as we see here, it is a simple Telegram game. So link will be down below. All you gotta do is, first of all, every X amount of hours, you come here, you click over, you farm, and you get your points. You do have some tasks, as we see here, claim now this one, you will go and redirect to another page. You will then have the possibility to subscribe, get the points, follow, explore more tasks, join, etc. to get the points. So go and do that. Then we have the possibility of, as we see here, earning total rewards up to $10,000 for 5,000 participants, 5,000 PNI, so token airdrop allocation, actual USDT token allocation. We got the exclusive round 2, which has only 12,000 participants for $40,000, which simply you come here, you click, you explore the event, and you go and do all of them goodies. And then we got the possibility to go and have your wallet. As we see here, I got a ton balance, and then we do have the points earned. And it is very, very simple. Basically, also when you go on the deck on the left side, you can see the play games over here. And you're able to go and play this little mini game, as we said, a Telegram mini game to go and grab yourself for all of these goodies, avoiding the asteroids. And it is a fun little game to do. But this could actually mean, as we see here, that we could have the possibility for a ByBit Web3 version mini game and an airdrop update and an airdrop from their token. And everything is super simple to do. All you gotta do is play the games, do the farming and the tasking over here, and participate in all of these free-to-earn gamify airdrop, DeFi airdrop. We got the AI airdrop. So we got many different things, and it is free to go and earn. So definitely go and do it. And as of this, it is super, super interesting in my opinion. First thing first, it does look as of right now that the price in the pre-market is $6 per token. Now, take this with a pinch of salt. It is the pre-market, it is what it is. So it's probably gonna fluctuate between 6, 5, 4. You can go and check it online on any, for example, here on the MEXC exchange. It could be something interesting to go and see. But talking about other exchanges as well, for example, ByBit already announced that the ByBit contracts trading platform will have the Berachain Airdrop, and you will be able to receive your Berachain Airdrop both on ByBit and sell it or buy more over on ByBit. So I will leave you the link down below to go and sign up to ByBit. I think as of right now, it is the best way to go and buy it and sell it as soon as it goes out. And we know it's gonna go up, it's then gonna go down, it's gonna fluctuate. So if you just wanna have it, and if you're one of those that wanna sell it or simply buy the token, sign up to ByBit. The link is down below. Super, super simple. And we already know that ByBit, I mean, most of the time, it's not all the time, ByBit usually has the contract the same moment it goes live. So it's definitely something nice. And talking about ByBit, if you're a follower of mine from India, as we see here, ByBit registers with the Indian's financial regulator, settles monetary fine, and expects a full operation license in the coming weeks. So make sure to sign up and start trading over on ByBit. The airdrop checker, which we do have it over here, and then if there's any differences towards the end of the day or more information come out, I will leave you a link down below, of course, and you will find this one. You do not need to sign in with your wallet. You do not need to give your wallet any permission, sign transaction. Simply go and input your wallet over here, and you will see whether or not for this airdrop checker you will be eligible. As we see here, I have 40.14 Bera, which could be something as a joke, or could be something real, but let me know. It's been made by a community member. As of right here, we don't have, as of right today and as of right now, we don't have the official Berachain checker announcement, but we can go, and if you will have it, or if I will have it, I will showcase it to you, and you will find it in the description after this video goes live. But as of right now, go and check your allocation. Nothing to sign, no transaction to sign, so it is absolutely safe to go and do, which I will leave you linked down below. As well as we got the Dawn tokenomics, which we do have it right here. They are kind of out right now. This is a Dawn tokenomics, is this one over here. This is the plugin that we do have, or we had already for a while to log in, register, and all of that. And then it was kind of like Grass and NodePay ecosystem. We see here that we got 25% distribution to stakeholders and community. So 25% of it does seem like we got a possibility of a good airdrop, and there is a 1 billion total token supply with no runners, 25%, which node runners are the people who downloaded this software, which we have seen already before. Following up, as we see here, the token generation event will occur at the same time as mainnet launch, tweeted out by the Berachain Foundation, which it is in L1, and the tokenomics and checker will officially be coming out tomorrow as well from them. In this case, they tweeted this yesterday, so they're coming out today. It's already 25 hours at the time of recording this video that this went live. So let's go and wait and see what also comes and appears with it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.